Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you.
No.
So we are getting ready for our cruise. So this is, we packed our bags. I got a bunch of clothes. Like, well, we didn't pack our bags. I packed our bags. And on this side I have diapers, swimming diapers, regular diapers, hats, shoes, lotion, all kind of stuff. Look, Zion's helping me. Thank you so much. My suit. I'll put them down. Okay, so I have this bag. I have all my lotions and stuff in here, my hair products that I need to put in the suitcase. So this bag has notes and stuff, and for me to study on my downtime. And then I have my makeups, extra socks for Zion, extra diapers and wipes, hats, and clothes for Zion.
Hey, you are handsome. Zion going on a cruise.
Yes, I got me some water. Oh, I did too much. Hey, Zion, you ready? Sleep? No, we're gonna have some fun. So I met, actually, this is our first trip, of course. Here you go, baby. But I met this girl on Facebook on the traveling page, and she had booked this trip already to go. Did I have something on my lip? And I remember I made a post. Any single mothers out there that likes to travel and has a toddler, because I would like to travel with my toddler, and she inboxed me and told me about her trip. So we ended up keeping in contact. We got Facebook, Instagram, and all that, and I got her number, and we've been speaking. So this happened back in May, I believe, so it's December. So we've been working towards this goal for a long time. So I did the payment plan, and when I called, they're like we can't really tell you exactly, because I was like, she's in this room. She's like, well, I see a woman and a child in that room. I can't tell you the name or any other information. So I was like, okay, I know this is legit. And I know some people probably think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. That's how you meet. You make new friends and just traveling and stuff like that. But I can't wait to meet her, and I'm excited. Okay, calm down. Get up, please. Get up. And we still haven't moved. And they made an announcement stating that they canceled our trip to the Cayman Islands. I mean, it is what it is. My friend texted me around 6 telling me that we were moving, and I woke up at 5:30 and I didn't realize it until after she told me, and I was like, you know what, now that you said something, it does feel like I'm moving. The trip is moving. Causing a tantrum. You mad? This is your third one today. Alright, let's see what's going on. I'm going to lunch. All late because it's 3 o'clock. But Zion was sleeping. Ooh, I can't remember. Nap time. What's wrong? Hey. We finally made it to Mexico. Today's Thursday, and it is like 6:40. I'm gonna go get breakfast. We woke up really early. I'm gonna go get some breakfast, and then probably get breakfast again after my friend wakes up. Cause I'll be hungry when I be eating all the food. So it's just me and Zion. Look at them. Good morning. Alright, so we got back on the ship after visiting. I'm so tired. I've been trying to get him to sleep for the past 2 hours and yeah, no sleep. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. So we got to Cozumel actually last night, but I didn't go out. I just stayed. We went to, like, you know how they have like the fancy dinners and stuff. We went last night. And then yep, Apple. And then we just came back and went to sleep. I woke up so early. Today I think they're having like a parade or something, so we're definitely gonna try to attend. We're gonna be at sea tomorrow all day, and then we should get back to Florida. We should get back to Florida Saturday morning.